Hello, how you doing? So today I'm going to make this lovely lot of tortillas, these nachos, completely vegan. We've got black eyed peas, eggplants, and then a nice avo salad on the top. Love that. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got 1 can of tomatoes here, 1 regular size eggplant. I've cut that really quite small. Cut it larger if you want. Black eyed peas. Now I've got these from a can. If you're going to use from a can, give them a nice wash in some cold water. 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 onion cut nice and small. And then here I've got 2 teaspoons of oregano, chili and cumin. Let's get started with some olive oil. So I've got a bit of olive oil in there. Heat is on. On a medium heat. Just put it on now. In goes the onion. In goes a tablespoon of garlic. And in goes the cut eggplant. Like I say, cut mine quite small. We're going to go for 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Really simple, this one. It's coming together really nicely. We're going to drop in our black eyed peas. We're going to add some salt. Some black pepper, and then our spices, 2 teaspoons each of chili powder, cumin and oregano. 3 minutes, staying on this medium type heat. Super fab. Okay, 1 can of tomatoes. These were a whole plum tomato. What I've done is I just crushed them with my hand, roughly. We're going to get the heat down to below medium now. And for 5 minutes, we're going to let that go. And that is looking super fab. Off goes the heat. A little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Mix that in and that is done. Delicious. Okay, so I'm going to do some eggplants now. I've got one of these pans with that kind of griddle marking thing. It's neither here nor there. You can do it in a regular pan. So I've cut the eggplants quite thick into rounds. We're going to get them on. I'm on an above medium heat. We're going to go with some olive oil. Now be careful with your oil because they will just soak up loads and loads of oil. Like that will just go in no time. I'm going to add some salt. If you wanted to add some pepper, you could. I'm just going to go with salt. And yeah, we're going to fry these around for about, 4 or 5 minutes. So easy. Okay, they look beautiful. Off goes the heat. Set them aside. Let's move on. Okay, let's get this together then. So you're going to need something that can go in the oven. Metal, like this. Ceramic or glass, as long as it's oven proof. So I've got some tortilla chips in there laid on the bottom. We're going to get our beans and eggplants here. Now get your oven on, nice and hot, about 220. And what we're going to do is we're just going to pop this in for about 5 or 6 minutes. A few more chips there, so you get a nice layer, you know. And we're going to pop some of this around, just the last bit. Fab. And then we're going to grab those eggplants that we've done, the slices, you know, get them on. Yeah, about 5 or 6 minutes in a nice hot oven. Yeah, about 220 or something like that. So while that's in the oven for 5 or 6 minutes, we'll just get this together. So I've got roughly equal parts of chopped onion, tomato, cilantro or coriander, and cucumber. Here I've got 3 avos. They're quite small, these avocados. Garlic, about 2 teaspoons there, but you can adjust that as much as you want. A little bit of salt and pepper, olive oil and lemon juice. I'm going 2 to 1 with olive oil and lemon juice. There's not a lot of each, but yeah, I'll show you it as it all goes in. Really simple. All right, so as you can see, I've got my avocado out. What we're going to do is just add onion, tomato, cucumber, coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that, some salt and pepper, some garlic, and you can really adjust any of the amounts of these, okay? A little bit of lemon or lime juice. Double the amount, I think, of olive oil. Little mix and we're done. So yeah, this is not guacamole or guacamole, however you say it. In fact, how do you say it? Guacamole, guacamole. This is more just of a little avocado salad. Right, let's grab the tortillas from the oven. Okay, out of the oven, nice and hot. Simply, we're going to get our avo salad and we're going to place that right there in the center or thereabouts. I'm going to hit that just at the end with some sweet paprika. If you wanted chili or some chili flakes, but that's it. That's a delicious little vegan bowl of nachos, tortilla chips. Fantastic. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you really soon. Keep safe. Keep well. Lots of love. Hi, how you doing? Thanks so much for checking out our videos. Really do appreciate it. We're busy as ever. We're pumping out some fantastic food. Well, we think it's fantastic. So Chef June's got his own channel now. Please check that out. He's doing great guns on there, all in Tagalog, some fantastic food he's making. Rahel's doing her Amharic channel, which has been going on for some years now, and she's doing great. But please check it out if you want to know about Ethiopian food, although it is all in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. The vegan channel's doing okay. Could do with a bit of help actually, so pop over there and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're doing fine. We're still here in Bahrain at the moment. It's very hot, as you could imagine, but yeah, happy as can be. Now, if you'd like to help the channel out, you could buy us a coffee, or there's a little link will pop up now maybe, or something will pop up or something. But yeah, if you want to support the channel, that would help us out a great deal. Really appreciate all of you send messages and follow us, on a regular basis. We love you all. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.